right, so I'm recording on my phone because that's easier for me, so it might be a little bit janky looking, but here's our original problem. This is called a rational equation because there's a ratio, which is just a fraction. So I always encourage and teach my students to just get rid of the fraction first, okay? So we look at those the denominators, and we're just gonna multiply by whatever that denominator is. So that is x plus 3. So we're going to multiply the entire thing by x plus 3. That means each term is getting this, okay? Notice that negative 2 is as well. What happens is x plus 3 is going to cancel out with the ones that have it in the denominator. So this is just going to become x. Now we have negative 2 times x plus 3, and we're going to have to distribute that later. And then this, what's left after getting rid of the denominator? There's a negative 3. So this is negative 3. And this is the same equation, but now with no fractions, and we can just work it out really simple. So negative 2x minus 6, x is here, equals negative 3. This is negative x minus 6 equals negative 3. So negative x equals positive 3, x equals negative 3. And I did that really fast, so I could be wrong. Now, one of your questions was, what happens when there's no solution? So sometimes you're in the process of working out a problem. Say we have 2x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1. If I move 2x to either side, I'm going to subtract 2x, and they go away. And we get 3 is equal to negative 1. Is that true? Is 3 actually negative 1? That ain't true. That's BS. That's no solution. There's no value for x that would make this true. It's never gonna be true. Now, if you have a case where they work out to, let's say we have 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. We cancel out the 2x, and we get 3 equals 3. Is that true? Is 3 equal to 3? That is true. So no matter what we put in for x, this will always be true. We could put in the most negative number possible or the most positive number possible, and no matter what we plugged in, it'd be true. So this is all real numbers, or I don't know, how else do they phrase it? I usually write it this way, all real numbers, or if you want to be a fancy pants, you can put this thing and see what your teacher says.